In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix TikTok Shop can't process order. If you're seeing that error when trying to check out, don't worry. We'll walk through clear steps to figure out what's going on and how to get your order through successfully. First, open the TikTok app and head to TikTok Shop. Make sure you're signed into your TikTok Shop account and that your basic information, like your shipping address, is filled out. Sometimes incomplete or outdated details in your account can cause the checkout to fail, so it's worth confirming. Everything looks current before you try again. If the error persists, consider that the issue might be on the seller's side. Products may be out of stock, have regional shipping restrictions, or the listing might have just been updated with new prices or variants. Check the product page for stock status, shipping notes, or store announcements. If something looks off, use the Contact Seller option to ask whether the item is available for your location and whether they can help push the order through. Next, review your payment method carefully. During checkout, double-check that your card number, expiration date, and security code are typed correctly and that the name and billing address match what your bank has on file. Small typos can trigger the "can't process order" message. If everything looks correct but it still fails, try switching to a different payment method, like another card or a supported digital wallet. Some cards may block online or cross-border purchases by default, and using a different method is often the quickest workaround. Also note that you might see a small temporary authorization when you add or edit a payment method. This is normal and usually disappears shortly. It's also possible the problem is on TikTok's side. The platform can experience brief outages or maintenance windows that interrupt payments. In that case, waiting a little while and trying again later is often all you need. Avoid repeatedly spamming the checkout button, which can create multiple pending holds. If none of that resolves the issue, go to the TikTok Help Center and submit your concern. Describe the problem clearly, including the item you tried to buy, the time it happened, and the exact error message. Add a screenshot if you can, but make sure to hide any sensitive information like full card numbers. After you submit, keep an eye on your notifications and email, and be patient while the support investigates and replies. Follow these steps. Check your account, verify the seller, confirm your payment, consider a platform issue, and reach out to the Help Center, and you'll be on your way to getting your TikTok Shop order processed.